Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got some exciting news to share about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks to recent leaks and rumors, we're getting a sneak peek into what could be Samsung's next groundbreaking foldable device. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates from us. First up, let's talk about battery life. While the battery capacity of the Z Fold 6 remains the same as its predecessor, Samsung is set to introduce AI-powered optimizations to extend battery life by 5 to 10%. Now, that's a game-changer for those of us who rely heavily on our smartphones throughout the day. Next, we've got some intriguing design leaks, courtesy of a case manufacturer. The Z Fold 6 appears to feature a wider form factor with sharper edges, reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let's not forget about the cover display, rumored to be wider and more user-friendly compared to previous models. This could be a significant improvement for multitasking and everyday use. Now, onto the cameras. While the Z Fold 6 retains the same camera setup as its predecessor, including a 50MP primary camera and a 10MP telephoto lens, we're expecting software enhancements to elevate the photography experience. Plus, the addition of an under-display camera for selfies promises a seamless viewing experience without any distracting cutouts. In terms of specs, the Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. With advanced connectivity options like 5G and Wi-Fi 7, you'll stay connected wherever you go. And while pricing may start at $1,850, the innovative features packed into this device make it a worthwhile investment for tech enthusiasts. Now, some of you may be wondering why I haven't jumped on the foldable phone bandwagon just yet. Well, it's all about finding the right balance of features and design. With rumors of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 offering a more refined user experience and a sleeker design, I'm seriously considering making the switch. After all, innovation is at the heart of what makes technology exciting. That's all for today's sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch date. And remember, if you're as excited about the future of foldable phones as I am, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, techies,